Hello, this is a little update from out of InnerSource. Yesterday we bring all the wood that was located over there outside, over here. So we are gonna cement on the end of the wall. And here Robert is preparing the cement. Hello Robert, are you doing good?
Warm.
Yes, in the sun. Yes, so finally we are building this place, and over here we're gonna put some how do you call it, protection to the wall today, and fill up the gaps in the end. And yeah, we're very happy, very blessed with what we do. Our tree is looking amazing, huh? Yes? Yes?
Okay, maybe it's a good idea to share
Yeah?
that we discovered this morning that for us working together needs more communication and the realization of not only thinking on a project but also explaining, oh, this is how I see it, and the other as well, so that we can level and at least understand where both are going, helps us in the process of working. And that was a deeper realization this morning. And so communication is our topic, main topic in our relationship. But this morning, after 3-4 years almost of deep communication, in projects, I still go my way, and Patricia has ideas of her own, and sometimes we forget to communicate about these ideas, and this realization came up this morning. So I hope it helps other people also to realize how important communication is.
Yeah, because what happens if we don't communicate?
Then we get irritated and all other emotions can be touched. Not necessarily, but they can be touched. And then we are like going our own ways and without knowing it. It's like old programs, old habits. And but this morning, every morning we share how we feel and what we do and how things go. And this morning, this realization popped up, and it was interesting because we are communicating a lot and many things, how we feel and what we're gonna do. But in the little details, there are still places how do you say it? We didn't look into it yet, and now we are realizing that it helps even better. So yesterday, we realized with all this wood moving it to the side, it was like an old project of me, and Patricia felt it was getting dangerous. It was piled up and it was like hanging like this, and you could walk under it, but it could be risky if a big pile of oak tree would fall on your head. It wouldn't be good. And so we needed to change it, and Patricia felt it's dangerous. We need to do it now. And she was as always right, because we got beautiful weather, and we did it all in one day. And then we realized we need cementing the connection between the floor and the wall, so to protect water getting into our annex where we do workshops. And so, but every little step opens up a new part of communication, of expression, of what is needed. And so I hope this helps people to communicate even in the little details.
Yeah, and maybe something about the energy you like to share?
The energy, can you help me?
Yes, like I sense that we need to move the wood because the energy was not moving over there.
No, Patricia is high sensitive and feels energies, and more high sensitive than I am. And she was already feeling that we've been working in the annex, we call it, it's our shed. We've been working on the wall with the neighbor part and our house and around the house. But this was a part which was like almost forgotten because the wood was there. And Patricia was clearly feeling that we need to clear this energy to reactivate new energy of InnerSource in this part. And so by doing this, we are cleaning the old energy and giving this space a new objective is I think the word, a new yeah, function, and so it helps the energy cleaning and becoming more the new inner source energy. Is that
Yeah, and why is it important to clean energy? Maybe you like to share some of your vision about that.
Okay, clean energy is especially this house is over 200 years old, and many people have lived here, and everybody who is living here has left a little part of their energy, and some people were not really happy with themselves or their lives or things around them, and so this energy is still attached to the spaces, and by cleaning all the old stuff out and giving it's like the spring cleaning of a house. You take all the dust out of the carpets, and then fresh air, new light will come in. And by doing that, you can put your own energy. So you take out the old energies, and you can do it by Palo Santo, sage, or whatever you feel like, which is good. But Palo Santo and sage are really powerful, helps in that. And then you clean the whole space, and by doing that, you transform old energy in your energy. And your energy is bringing your creativity, it's bringing your love, your light. So it can be very helpful for to transform and rebalance the space where you live.
And if your space is rebalanced, what does that does with us?
It brings us more peace and more balance,
Yeah.
and less negative influences, negative slash influences which aren't ours. It's not always negative, but it's like external influences, distractions, and distractions disconnect us from the heart. So that's why I'm always putting my hand on my heart to keep my brain outside, because that's being polluted by many lives and years of distractions, and so it's programmed of distraction, and this is programmed of my compass. It's like my heart is the compass I choose to live for and not for and by. So that's why it's important.
So if we can make 3 points that are really important in this, what are the 3 important messages you want to share?
The top 3.
Yes.
First of all, connect to the heart. Second of all, obey to what you feel, your intuition. In this case, Patricia felt we need to do this now. And the third one is communicate. The bases are communication, and listen to your intuition, and always be connected to your heart.
Okay.
Aho.
Aho, thank you very much and have a good day.
Thank you.